Hey guys, in this video I'll share with you 4 best dropshipping niches that you can sell products in during this virus period and pretty much utilize the opportunity that exists right now. How to create those ads. Because of the virus, people are now staying at home more than before. A lot of people just decided to self-quarantine, so they're staying at home, and because of that, the usage of the internet grows dramatically. So the usage of the internet, you can see the stats, it's like 34% up compared to what it was before. So pretty much dramatic increase in people using the internet and getting used to e-commerce, getting used to buying products on the internet instead of going to retail stores. So before the the breakdown of overall like retail sales, all of the products that people buy, right, no matter where, it was like 90% of that was through retail stores, and 10% only it was e-commerce, which is $1 trillion industry, but still it was only 10% of overall sales that have been happening. Now that shift is happening where more of that overall spend goes towards e-commerce, people getting used to buying products, people getting used to order stuff online, and because of that you will experience, like, the more time goes, people will use e-commerce more and more and more and more, and a few years from now we'll realize how important this time was. Also, it's not the best period of time, obviously, and we'll realize how important that period of time was in the history of e-commerce. Pretty much we have to adapt and do what we can do the best during this period of time. So if you can spend more time with your family, do it. If you can basically improve some of the things in your business that you haven't paid attention to before, do it. Like, now is the period of time to do it, and obviously now is the period of time to utilize fully the opportunity that exists to sell specific products and specific 4 niches that I'll share with you guys. Now, by the way, if you're looking for help in scaling your dropshipping or e-commerce business, it's not like probably not the best period of time to start a business, but if you already have a business and if you want to scale it and you have budgets and you have the capacity to do so, then there should be a link in the description so you can apply for a free strategy call, and we'll basically craft the strategy for you to scale your business forward, and we'll see if that's a good fit for us to work together. So should be a link in the description. Just click on it, get access to the free strategy call and book it. You can see on the screen, these are some of the results from our students that have been through the program. So we will help you to scale your business as well. Now, the first niche, so home work equipment, and you can see the trends for this. You can see like the trend is like ridiculous here. You can see it just goes up and up and up, and that's what people are interested in right now because they're staying at home and they want to do fitness. They cannot go to fitness clubs, they cannot go to gyms, so they have to exercise at home. One of the products here that you can specifically sell is this ring for yoga. As you can see here, different variations of it, $14 to $32. So definitely high ticket product that you can sell. The hip trainer, which is, this ideal product for women. As you can see, obviously you have to be careful like how you advertise it. It's being like shipped free, like with an e-packet. You can see it's like, obviously you have to be careful how you advertise it, but the margin on this product is very good, and also the perceived value is also quite high. This one has been around for a long time, and it's also an amazing product to sell. You have to be just careful how you communicate the value of those products so you don't get banned. So another one here, the gripper, right? So pretty much, as you can see, it's like sold out now. But you can search for like very similar products. For example, gripper, right? Things that people can utilize at home. People, like, you can see all of these, and if we just sort by the number of orders, like you can see, like for example, these products, like all of these are good products to sell with good margins. As you can see here, this is the like dropshipping store that you can see, like an emulate dropshipping store, like selling this product in particular. Not the best design, so obviously you can do better. You can obviously just outperform this. Family games, check this out. Like, it's just gone up like significantly, like in last week.
And if we check like overall, like you can see, it just goes goes in cycles for like January, right? But now here, all of the sudden, like you can see, like it never been like high in March, but now because of all of this, situation, just goes up again. So this is another trend that you can jump on, like classic board game. For example, this one here, like very standard product, very kind of like niche product, so probably like not 7-figure product, but you can do quite well with it. Another one here, 26 orders, not too many orders, but the product itself has like high perceived value and high, basically, how it looks and stuff. It looks like very, very like interesting, so people can play this product at home. Another one here, basically like Easter theme. I mean, obviously this is for kids. This is for playing. I mean, very interesting product that can be sold quite well. And as I said in my how to beat coronavirus shipping delays video, you don't have to ship from China. More and more manufacturers, they offer good deals for dropshippers, right? So you can see here, for example, you can just get in touch with this store and pretty much just ship products, directly from them, right? So this is one of the options for you that you can go with. You can see they're selling like different toys, so you can ship these toys directly from them, have like a decent margin, and work with someone who has good like reputation in the marketplace. You can see a lot of different stuff that they're selling here, right? This is Norwegian store. So you would have to, I mean, maybe they're drop shipping in like local Norwegian markets, which is awesome, or they're like drop shipping to other countries as well. So you just have to get in touch, and obviously there are a lot of different options that you can go with for the drop shipping products. Now cooking products, because people are cooking now at home. So I mean, slightly it doesn't reflect that big of a jump, but I know for certain products are doing very well now, that are in cooking niche specifically. Like for example, this one here, that you can just jump on and sell the product that are relevant for people. Meat smoker, so people that are like staying at home, and if they have like a barbecue, or they want to do like a barbecue, as you can see here, kind of like very simplified. And this product has like wow effect, because now April is good season for like grill, right? So people go outside. People who have homes, they go outside, right? Like coronavirus does not impact that. And so this one is good. It's like portable. It's like a portable grill that people can utilize. So this product definitely has the wow effect and can be sold. So these are like PLR cookbooks. I'll cover that in other video, like basically these selling the information products as part of your offer, kind of like to increasing the perceived value of your offer. So you can see here, these are like, you can just sell this book. It does not have an author, so you just say like, this is your product. You basically buy the resale rights for it, and you can pretty much sell this product for a certain price, and whatever you sell it for, it's like 100% margin, because there is no cost of goods and services. Just pay for the access to it once. Home appliances, another category. Let's see if Google Trends reflect that. Yeah, definitely like went up. And so overall, like if we'll see, let's say like past 5 years, yeah, like went up, right? Went up here. Like last year, for example, March, it was like not very good period, as you can see, but this year just like went up again, probably because of the virus. Now, this is one of the products that you can take a look at, like decent amount of reviews, orders, welding, right? So if you're selling something like this in this particular niche, so like do it yourself, good niche, and so for example, see what the margin is. So this one is $48, but the perceived value is quite high, so you can sell it for probably like 100, 150. Another one here. So this one is lower cost, right? But this is the laser adhesive, right? So probably like if you break something, that's that kind of like helps you to to fix things. And so this one is also good because of this kind of like do-it-yourself. People do it yourself at home. Like definitely, if they stay at home, they want to do something, right? So you sell them the product that would help them to achieve that. So toolboxes. I was toolboxes heavy product. Probably like not the ideal product to sell. But if you're in that niche, or you want to just like test it out and sell it for, let's say, like $200, like $197 would be reasonable, then this is good product to go after and sell. So then you have the solar powered string lights for patio. Like, these ones have done very well for us in European market. We've sold like, thousands and thousands of these. And as people kind of like want to, closer to the summer, they want to make their patios like look good. These are amazing products and not expensive. So, for example, if you go after like $6, right? Like it's not that expensive, and it has a lot of different variations and high perceived value. So this is definitely an amazing product, and you can see the orders numbers like reflect this, right? Like 1,500 reviews and 3,500 orders. So this is it, guys. These are the 4 niches. So once again, these are the home appliances, cooking, family games, and home workout equipment. So you can jump in any of these niches, any of these products. If you want this document for me to share it with you, just let me know. Just say doc in the comments, and I'll basically share this this whole document with you. You should just copy and paste products and start selling them. And guys, if you're looking for help scaling your e-commerce business, your Facebook advertising, then click on the link below. There should be a link to apply for a free strategy session. It's only for people who already have dropshipping stores, people who already, or business owners, people who have funds to invest into their business, into development, into scaling up during this time period. So if you don't have resources, unfortunately, this is not for you. But if you want to scale, if you have resources, just click on the link, apply for a free strategy call, and it will help you to scale it up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment doc in a comment so I can share this document with you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys.